Want to let your users know about the upcoming features, product release news, deals, or discounts on your website? You can create a fear of missing out vibe for your audience by using this feature. But no worries, Team Happy Addons introduces the countdown widget to reduce your hassle. You can implement this feature on your WordPress site and customize the time and the end action, stylize the widget on your own. Well, we are here to demonstrate the widget in this tutorial. It's a pro widget of Happy Addons. For instance, you need to install Elementor free version. After that, install and activate the Happy Addons free and pro version. Let's get started. Search the widget and add it here. Next, add the time color, label color, time typography, and label typography. Now add a time frame and customize the countdown settings based on your theme style. Carefully apply the options and make the countdown clear and smart. Click on the End Action tab and customize the message. Add box width, height, background type, gradient effect, border type, and more. Explore the rest of the options and apply the feature smartly. So this is how you can use the countdown widget on your Elementor site to create a fear of missing out vibe during any occasion, events, or a special day. By the way, have you used the LiveCopy paste feature of Happy Addons yet? Just choose the demo design, copy, and use it on your WordPress site. Let's see how to do it. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe and follow our social channel for more information and regular tutorial videos like this one. Stay tuned!